Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's performance notifications tool. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, I'll walk you through using Amazon's performance notifications tool, a key resource for keeping your account in top shape. First, log in to Seller Central and head to the Performance tab. From there, select Performance Notifications. This is where you'll find all the important alerts Amazon sends regarding your account's performance. When you click into the Performance Notifications tool, you'll see a list of notifications related to your account's health. These can include warnings, policy violations, or requests for additional information. Start by reviewing each notification carefully. Amazon will detail the issue, why it's a problem, and what steps you need to take. It's crucial to understand the impact of these notifications on your account. Next, address the issues outlined in the notifications. This could involve updating product listings, improving shipping practices, or resolving customer complaints. Follow the instructions provided to correct the problems. If the notification requires you to submit additional information or documentation, make sure to provide it promptly. This helps Amazon process your case quickly and keeps your account in good standing. Once you've taken the necessary actions, monitor your performance notifications tool regularly to ensure no new issues arise. It's a good idea to keep an eye on this tool frequently to address any problems as they come up. And that's it. Using the Performance Notifications tool effectively helps you stay on top of your account health and maintain a good standing with Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.